nanohub.org. You can follow along with this presentation using printed slides from the NanoHub. Visit www.nanohub.org and download the PDF file containing the slides for this presentation. Print them out and turn each page when you hear the following sound. Enjoy the show.
Thank you all for coming to this seminar. We're really happy and actually honored that Dr. Pedro Prieto was able to make a very long trip from Cali, Colombia, all the way to Purdue, West Lafayette, and his trip lasted about 16 hours yesterday. So he started at 9:30 in Cali and got at 1:30 a.m. last night. He's up and running and shows no sign of fatigue that I already do. But a few words about Dr. Prieto. He received his PhD, actually his doctorate in Naturwissenschaften in Aachen in 1982. And he became a professor of physics in Universidad del Valle in Cali in 1986. And he has been there since then and really established a really strong group, actually, that was focused on thin films and also on nanomagnetism. So it's a really nice work that's been coming out of this group. And then starting in the last 6-7 years, Colombia started this process of focusing research areas into some priority areas, and they have a really competitive it was a competition for centers of excellence, which I suppose are equivalent to our ERCs. For the first time in a very, very long time, and he led a network of universities in Colombia that won this competition and established about 6 years ago now, correct? 6 years ago?
5 years.
5 years ago, the Center for Excellence in Novel Materials, which is really a nanotechnology-based effort. And so it's a very strong group, and we are working at the College of Engineering. Monica and I are co-captains. We're trying to push an effort to try and engage with this activity in Colombia, and Dr. Prieto is here as a part of that to see, to share with us what's going on in Colombia and to see how we can make better links between what we're doing in Berkeley and Colombia.
Okay, thank you very much, Professor Rahman. And first of all, I want to thank for this invitation to visit the BIRT Technology Center and to give me the opportunity to present the work we are doing in Colombia at the Excellence Center for Novel Material. This is really a hard task to present all the activities we have done at this center in the last 5 years. So in this short seminar, I have decided to present better a video so you can have the opportunity to make a virtual visit of all the groups involved in this center. I think is the best thing. But let me show what is the Excellence Center. As usual, all the activities of this center is in a web page, Excellence Center for Novel Material, and most of the things I cannot present here you can find in this page. Here in this page you see one of our latest work on multilayer. This is in the nano multilayer of hard coating material. This is transmission electron microscopy in cross section. You can see all the topics and the equipment we have acquired, the paper we have produced, or the people who are involved, all the things you can see here in this web page. What is the CENM? It's the Excellence Center for Novel. It's part of high priority Colombian effort supported by 19 research groups from 10 universities across the country, and the center have received the support from different groups around the world. Let me show you briefly the groups who are involved in this center. This is really not a center in the scene that is in a place. This is a network of a group from Barranquilla, to Popayan, in the city in Colombia, north and south, from Medellin to Bucaramanga. So we have the group of material process and design in Barranquilla, 3 groups in at Universidad de Antioquia, 3 groups at the University of Industrial de Santander, 6 groups at the Universidad del Valle in Cali, my university, and a group from other city and in Colombia. And one important group is the CDT Astincena, that is a technological institute to do transfer from our research to the industry, as I will show you later. So you see, this is a large group of people who is involved in the activities I will show you. We have in the last 10 years a strong collaboration with groups in Europe, especially in Germany with the Fortune Center in Jülich, in France, Spain, Italy. Also in South America, we have strong collaboration with Argentina, the Bariloche Center, Campinas. Also in USA, we have collaboration with UCSD, with a group of Ivan Schuller in San Diego, with a group of Juan Nino at the University of Florida, in Argo National Lab with a group of Axel Hoffman and Orlando Aucello. And I hope in the future we have a collaboration also with Purdue and with this center here. What are the general objective and strategy of our center? So we try to aid Colombian technological and scientific development to the formation of specialized human resource, trying to produce thesis of PhD and magister thesis on working on novel material and novel technology, special nanotechnology. We have to push greater investment in Colombia through the acquisition of robots, equipment, formation of young talent, and support of knowledge-based economy for the growth. The strategy is establish a technological transference policy from the university to the industrial sector. That is a main issue in our center. Build infrastructure to share knowledge, facility in nanotechnology research, and support commercialization of nanoproducts in a short term. That is one of our strategy. Establish close tie with industry through joint research project. 6 state policies to identify key interest areas for the benefits of society, industry, and academia, and seek public and private funding to support research and increase potential of coverage of our research. So we have established a different strategy, establish alliance with industry, with university, with research and development center, self-service and consultants, seek for benefactors, project formulation between different institutions, and the so-called non-government organization, formation of new talent, and the creation of a SIM foundation for the future of the center. Also, as I said, the best way to present what are our activities, this is to look a video I have prepared almost 2 years ago, and you will have the opportunity to do a virtual visit to the groups.
Industry, agriculture, medicine, information systems and telecommunications, transportation. Vital areas to improve the quality of life of people, areas where novel materials are present as the fundamental basis for their development. In Colombia, thanks to the initiative of Colciencias, notable progress has been achieved in scientific research with the creation of the Excellence Research Centers, which have generated new discoveries with practical applications to benefit the community. The Excellence Center for Novel Materials, CENM, was created as part of this initiative. At the CENM, we contribute to the scientific and technological development of the nation through research, fabrication, and application of novel materials used in local industry in the development of new technological devices and processes. Specifically, the Excellence Center on Novel Materials is dedicated to the development and application of novel materials in the areas of composite and nanostructured materials, nanomagnetism, hard coatings, and on the development of sensors and mesoscopic systems. The Excellence Center embodies 19 research groups from 10 public and private institutions, including the Center for Technological Development, CENM. Our efforts are not limited by the nation's borders. To achieve greater impact, at the Excellence Center for Novel Materials, CENM, we receive international support from world-renowned institutions on materials research. Since our beginnings, we have set two strategic objectives: scientific excellence and technology transfer.